the track right now just to let everybody know how she shocked the world yesterday. She took first in the 8 stock drags, and as of right now, she's sitting third in the slaloms. So Marissa Russell out there right now, we've got number 145, the Wrecking Crew, my little sissy Missy. She's hitting hard, don't worry guys, we got her welded all tight. Get it right, get it tight, we say, but it's a Wrecking Crew 145, Marissa Russell on the track right now. First run time was a 1:30.04. Austin, that one was for you. Excuse me. Over the hell. Energy drinks and Pepsi, that's what's brought the announcer to you guys this weekend. It's been a wild time. Had a nap yesterday after race, it was fun. First time ever in 10 years I've napped after a race unless I've been home. But right now, not napping on the track.